Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Lulu Auliaullah Ilfaula Bawahan. My student ID number is 192500020. And today, I want to present my English project where we'll be diving into the fundamental concept of computer hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the collective physical components of a computer system. Computer hardware refers to the tangible physical components of a digital system, such as the motherboard, processor, and memory, that serve as the essential structural body required to execute to the logical instruction provided by software. So the next is the components or the motherboard. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board that serves as the central, providing the essential infrastructure for all internal components to connect and communicate while offering expansion slots for the future hardware upgrades. The third is the brain or central processing unit or CPU. The CPU acts as the primary or brain of the computer, responsible for executing complex instructions and processing data, while its overall performance is determined by clock speed and core count. The next one is memory versus storage. This slide distinguishes between memory or RAM, which serves as volatile short-term storage for activate tasks when the powered off, and storage HDD or SSD, which provides permanent long-term housing for files and the operating system even without power. So, the next is input device. Input devices are essential tools, such as a keyboard, mouse, and microphone, that allow users to feed data and control signals into a computer, enabling interaction and the input of information for processing. Output devices. Output devices are hardware components, such as a monitor, printer, and speaker, that convey process information from the computer to the user in a visual, auditory, and physical format. Graphics and visual. GPU is a specialized processor designed to handle complex mathematical calculation for rendering image and video, available for as an integrated component for basic tasks or as a dedicated card for high-performance activities like gaming and AI. So, this slide highlights the importance of the power supply unit or PSU, which convert outlet electricity into usable power for internal components, and the thermal management like fats and liquid cooling that prevent hardware failure by regulating high temperatures. So the next one is computer hardware. Computer hardware is divided into two primary types. The first is system software, which includes operating systems like Windows or Linux, and that manage hardware research. And the second is application software, which consists of user and programs, like web browsers and office tools used for daily tasks. Computer networking. Computer networking focuses on connectivity global by using hardware to link local computers together and creating LAN, local area networks, and the global ones, our internet, through routers, modem, and servers. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity requires software and hardware to work together to protect data from malicious and unauthorized access through firewalls, antivirus program, encryption, and strict user privacy protocols. Okay, thank you very much for your attention today. We have covered everything from the motherboard and CPU to input and output devices and future trends in hardware. I hope this presentation was clear and helpful for our English second class. Bye bye, see you.